We often see them picking spiders hiding around the mirror. However, in this case, it is attacking its own images in the mirror because it sees it as an opponent. We have seen this behavior in warbler and mockingbird as well.